Hi there! Welcome to Bead with me. I'm Kay, your host from Stars Bead. So your place for inspiration, do-it-yourself tutorials, and product highlights to make your designs uniquely you. So welcome today. How is everyone doing? I'll take a few minutes while people hopefully hop online because, you know, I'm at my usual kind of 2:20. Had things always happening because that's the way life is, and, you know, the beautiful thing about virtual reality is that, you know, you at least get a little, hopefully a little ding. So if you guys are not following or getting our notifications, make sure you do that. So as this live feed is running, I think there should be a button right up top there that you can click down and say, hey, I want to get a notification. But it looks like there's a lot of you guys out there. So hey, Kathy. Hey, Barb. Hey, Christine. Hello, Miss Nicole. How's everyone doing? We're having a beautiful day. It's kind of cloudy, but, you know, it's not too bad. So welcome. I thought I'd kind of hop on here like I usually do on every Wednesday. Remind you guys that today is Work It Wednesday. So I'd love for you guys to hop into the Zoom feed. Actually, I have that up right now. So if anyone wants to hop in there, I think that I can get you guys in. So remember, oh, I think I forgot to put that in the comments. So I'll have to put that in there, but it's 896-5004-9686. Okay, so if you guys want to hop into the Zoom room with me right now, you guys can totally do that, interact, so I can actually hear you and not feel like I'm just talking to myself. All right, so that's your reminder. We're going on to Zoom today, okay? So if you want to join me, you can use it as a shop session, get an idea of what virtual shopping is like here at Stars Beads, so all those ways that you can interact, okay? And, you know, there's a lot of changes going on, and I know that everybody is, you know, a lot of emotions are going on with this whole COVID, and I know that they're making a lot of changes, trying to do a slow opening with businesses, and, you know, I have continue to decide to be closed right now other than by appointment. So there's a lot of you guys know that I am still super active behind the scenes. So even though we may not be open our normal business hours, you know that you can still reach me. Okay, so you can still get into your, you know, beading fixes, and I can certainly help you with your design. So that's why I have designed a Zoom room for you so that you can ask those questions. Certainly I'm available to you guys other times as well. Okay, so today I know I was discussing, you know, this whole COVID thing, and so I think there's going to be changes going in effect, I believe, Friday, that it's required, you know, so regardless of how you feel, you know, I don't want to get into any of that. I wanted to just kind of do the crafty creative thing. And for those that may be at home and, you know, haven't been leaving home, but, you know, you may be deciding to every so often, and you don't really have a mask or you don't know where to get one, I'm going to show you a really, really quick technique on how to make a no-sew mask. So you can take, you know, a piece of fabric, okay, and get it down to size. I have a piece that I'm going to show you one with, and we're going to make one. It's like just a couple minutes, and then I'm going to also show off some ones that we are carrying here at Stars Beads, okay? So come on along with me. Oh, we'll take my Zoom room with me just in case. All right, I'm trying all these different angles, you guys, so we'll see if this works. Now seeing, all right. Moving to the table because we need a little bit of space. All right. I was trying to see if I could get a better angle here. So can we see? All right, so you guys, if you guys have a handkerchief, all right, this is a rather large piece of fabric, but this is what I happen to have, and the idea will work the same. Oh, and thank you, by the way, Patty. I see that you like my necklace. Maybe I'll show it to you here in a moment, okay? Hey, Inga, you did finally find me. Oh, my goodness. I think I was supposed to call you. Okay. That was live TV. That just happened. Okay, so, all right, so I have a nice square piece. Okay, and we're just gonna keep this easy. So there's kind of two ways you can fold this. I guess I can show you both ways. Okay, so the first way is we're gonna fold. Can you see me? Can you guys see me? Should I be a little bit closer? Okay. So we're gonna fold this bottom half to the middle. All right. I always liked origami. This is what it feels like. Okay, so you kind of do both pieces in half. Okay, and then we're going to flip this over like that, and then we're going to fold that again. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to flip this so that half is over. Okay, and then you just need either rubber bands, but those aren't super comfy. So for most of us ladies, we have some hair ties. Okay, have some nice elastic ones. They're a little bit softer on the ears. Okay, and then we're just going to put this half, like a quarter of the way. Okay, and this is a little bit big, but you get the idea. I wanted to have it for kind of visual effect. Okay, been watching a lot of YouTube videos and seeing the good ways to make a good video. So, all right, now we're gonna take these ends. We're gonna literally just fold them right into here. We're gonna tuck these in. Okay, the best fabrics that they have found to use. Okay, and then literally there you have a super cute mask. Yes, so you can make it with a bandana. So if you guys have any great ideas on making at-home ones, that is super awesome. Okay, so obviously then you can put that on here. Okay, and those go right around your ear. Okay, and this is kind of nice because you're getting several layers. Okay, cotton has been the big thing to use. They say a couple layers of cotton. If you have a little silk or chiffon, an extra layer of that is also nice, because then you get both reactions of just not material but also like a static, so keeping anything from you. But I also wanted to show you guys, hey Jonah, I wanted to show you ones that we are carrying here locally. We can ship these to you also, but I wanted to show that we had some ones available. So if you guys are looking to support someplace local, we have our little beading family, and we got some really, really cute ones. So you can see here, okay, they're super fitted. These are made with cotton and a cotton flannel. Hey, Theresa. So Theresa's online. She is the wonderful maker of these. So this is part of our beading family, and she will be putting donations to the Special Olympics. And we have several different sizes and a lot of cute fabrics. So if you guys want them shipped, I can actually, I put it over in my other section. But here you can see, hey Jonah, come here. I just wanted to show you that, you know, kids are not required to have to wear them, but I'm just beginning Jonah just a little bit comfortable, not making it feel so weird, because the whole thing is still, you know, rather weird. Right, you guys? So trying to find something cutesy. You know, you could certainly do a little beading, so those that do some embroidery. But there's a lot of great designs that she has. These fit guys too. So I have several for my husband. So if you guys are interested in having any masks, or if you guys know of any place that is needing some donations to your communities, we are looking to help those. Okay, so anybody in the forefronts, anybody with, you know, tough autoimmune diseases, then we want to help you out. So I also want to show you, Jonah, can you show how yours look? So one of the big things is cotton is a breathable fabric. Okay, so but also no matter what fabric you use, to be honest, you gotta use something that actually fits you. So this is one of the nice things. You can see that it curves around. So this is a great kid size. He's 5. Okay, for those that might be, you know, new to Jonah. Okay, so he doesn't mind his. He thinks it's comfortable, kind of like a cat. And I told him it kind of looks like a knight, you know, kind of like how they have their shields. And actually my husband, you know, loves motorcycles and motocross, and so he, you know, it's kind of like that same kind of thing, right? But they are washable, because you guys, this is cotton. Okay, it's cotton and cotton flannel, so great material. The ears, or the little elastic, okay, is super soft. And another thing, I don't know about you guys. Oh, Inga says you look awesome. Yeah. But I also thought maybe another helpful hint for those that wear glasses. You see that I wear glasses, and sometimes it gets all fogged up.
show you how I put this on.
Oh, okay. You know, Jonah wanted to do a little demo for you guys here. He wanted to show you how you put those on.
Okay, so they start like that, and put it on your face. Put that part above your ear and around, then do the same thing on the other.
And there you have it. Jonah has shown you how to officially put on one of our face masks. Okay, thank you. And he chose cats. We have a cat. So anyway, I was going to tell you guys, you know, so if you guys have like your glasses and stuff, and trying to help prevent, there's been a couple things you can put, like one, I guess you could put like a tissue. Yeah, you can take that small one. Or you could put a pipe cleaner, has been also known to be effective. And also if you take your glasses and put a little bit of soapy water on them and then let them dry off, that is supposed to help with any of the fogging in your eyes, okay? So those are things that I have found to be super helpful and hopefully can be helpful for you guys at home as we are all working through this crisis and how we are handling it. And like I said, no matter how you feel about, you know, whatever, about, you know, wearing masks, there's no political stance here. I don't get into politics. This is about creativity. And for me, you know, one, I'm helping a good thing, a good cause, okay? On top of two, it's super cute fabric. And three, it's creative and colorful, okay? So, so join the movement for that, at least. All right, I think we wanted to hop over to the Zoom room. Don't forget, you guys, we are going to be doing Friday Night Live. On Friday night, we are doing rocks and stones and beads and pendants. It's going to be all sorts of surprises. And then we will be continuing on with our Bead With Me at 2. Don't forget, I want to see you guys posting because I'm giving away seed beaded necklaces too. So don't forget. And I had one more thing. All those that like my bubble beads, I gave you a little sneak peek, and let me see, walk with me guys, because I thought I had this sitting right here with me, and because some of you guys might not know what I am talking about, but I had them around here somewhere, but that, oh, here it is. I left all that in a little pile for myself right here. Okay, so those beaded necklaces, make sure if you guys want to enter into, oh, okay, if you guys would like a mask, I'm sorry, masks are, I guess I wasn't finished with that. Okay, so masks are not necessarily online. I could take a picture of the styles. They are going to run $10. If you need them shipped, just let me know. We try to keep it super cheap. And if you have any questions, I'll try to roll it up as we go. Oh, and we wanted to do a little necklace dissection since we're live. You can now ask all your questions since the feed is over, and we'll just be like a live Zoom room. All right, you guys, here's my necklace up close. All right, so in this one, since we've been talking about stone, all right, I don't know if you guys saw the other day, I had a beautiful butterfly necklace. Okay, this is the same artist. Like I said, unfortunately, I'm not sure that she is making anymore. She is just a woman out of Washington State, and kind of did some beautiful work and collected her stuff over the years. And then, hey, Rebecca. Okay, and then I used some beautiful pyrite nuggets, you guys. So pyrite is a beautiful stone, also known as fool's gold. Okay, and then I stuck in some beautiful check glass, and you can see the edging with kind of a Picasso finish, making it look super natural looking, but yet having that vibrant teal like you know I love. Okay, and then I did some gorgeous handmade lampwork beads here. You know, I think these were made by a woman named Cindy Craig, which I'm not sure that she's making anymore. But yes, so we got some fool's gold, and then of course one of a beautiful old fossil that was set by Stars Clasps. So if you love awesome, cool, different clasps, you know that we are also makers and manufacturers of clasps. So check online at www.starsclasp.com. I'll put the link in the feed for you. But there is my necklace of the day. And I'm sorry, I do have certain parts and pieces, you know, that you can make. But if you have some lampwork beads, I can't find pyrite this big and chunky very often. Okay, so don't forget, these are the necklaces we can be winning. So if you guys want in to win, remember that you guys can continue to buy the beaded bangles from Nepal and the beautiful handiwork of Kristen Ho and Dana of the earrings. But we'll be giving these away. If you are interested in trying to get your chance to win, then make sure you are posting up anything that you guys are creating up onto the Stars Beads page, okay? And then special surprise for all of those. All right, you guys remember the leather bracelet that we did the other day? One was done in blue, that one sold, but this was mine. Okay, I have these in, okay? And I got extras of this particular color, you guys. So I am taking orders on this particular color, okay? So I got extra of that particular color here, okay? This is what I got, okay? So if you want your dibs on these are $15, okay? Per strand, there's 25 beads on there. I think we ended up using maybe 19 or 20 on the bracelet. So you will come out with a couple leftovers so you can throw them into a cute pair of earrings. But, you know, we're going to be playing with these in probably the coming weeks here. So, but if you want to get your dibs on this, please message me that you want these beautiful bubble beads. Okay, but we will have a ton more colors, but I did have some specific interest in this exact color. Okay? Awesome, you guys. All right, I'm going to get dressed again just because I feel kind of naked when I don't have my jewelry. And like I said, I like it big and I like it chunky. All right, so awesome. Hope you guys had a great time with me today. Don't forget, if you guys want masks, they're $10. Everything is being donated, so I am just passing this on so that it goes all the way through the nonprofit. So every bit helps as you guys are working down the chain, so we certainly appreciate the support. And if you guys want, like the ones I'm wearing, there's all different sizes, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and let me know. Okay, she's making them pretty consistently right now, so I have a bunch, but you know, I know that there's a shortage everywhere. So if you guys been looking for a good gift, even I found a perfect one for Jonah's kindergarten teacher. She doesn't know it yet, but there was a very cute one with pandas on it, and his school is the pandas, so he's home of the pandas, and I thought that'd be a great gift. Who knew? A whole new thing, that a whole new accessory, you know. Lisa Norris of the Consignment Shop is going to be open, I believe, tomorrow. So those that are here in the local area, she did a really cute one with some like beads hanging off of it, kind of like, you know, I had posted one kind of like trying to do like an I Dream a Genie type of edition. So for those in the Vienna local area, the consignment shop across the street is open. The sandwich shop across the street is also open. Red Galanga is open, I think, in the afternoon. So things are moving slowly, but we are moving extra cautiously here. So we appreciate if you want to just call us for an appointment, whether you are local or whether you're not. You can give us a call. We can do a video chat. We can personally shop with you and help you with your project. So thanks for joining me. Have a great rest of the day. Don't forget, we are on YouTube, so make sure you can subscribe on that channel if you want to make sure you get all the episodes of Bead with me, and also the notification here in Facebook. I think that covers it. That helps in all the algorithms and, you know, just sharing the creativity. So thanks so much for joining me. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you guys tomorrow at 2.